It's doing quite well. We're improving gradually. We have added in our infrastructural facilities. We have 2 turf wickets now, plus we have 2 cement wickets. We have 3 center wickets where we have these regular matches, as well as we offer match simulation practice to the trainees. Then we have a lot of stations for practice. As you see, the hanging ball is there. Then we have these stumps here. Then we have made some arrangements for target bowling. So we are trying to add some more infrastructure. I think by the end of this year, we'll get 2 more turf wickets prepared. We're also trying to get AstroTurf. We're trying to try and fund a bowling machine so that can be useful for the boys. Overall, I think there has been some improvement. Some of the boys are doing very well. 2-3 of them are in the under-19 camp for UP as well as Jharkhand. A couple of them are in Rajasthan. So I can see the gradual improvement. But it needs to grow. We are very fortunate to have now the services of Maninder Singh also, a former left-arm spinner. He offers his expertise once in a week. We're trying to rope him for 1 more day in a week. Right now we run it 4 days in a week, but we do have plans of increasing the number of days. We have recently introduced elite coaching for the top 20 trainees of the student. That's on Wednesday afternoons, where we offer them specialized coaching plus one-to-one interaction with the students. So yes, it's been 2 years now, but we are growing quite rapidly. The number of students have gone up from say about 40-50, have gone to about 120, 130, and on a given day we get close to about 80 to 90 students. As far as the coaching faculty is concerned, we have 4 coaches, all of them certified, and they look after each group. The groups start from 6 to 8, then we have 1 group from 9 to 12, then we have 1 from 12 to 15, and then 16 onwards. So we have about 4 groups. We have divided these groups into standard and elite, so we can offer them expertise coaching as and when required. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with the with overall improvement of the academy, but there is so much still to achieve.
I can say this is the right place, best place to learn cricket. Sabha, who is the head of this academy, has the right knowledge. He is part of International Indian Cricket, as well as he was part of National Academy. He has right equipment, right knowledge, right coaches to train the people. And I feel the bunch of boys coming over here for learning, they're good. So they get a good environment to learn. They have a good bowler, good batsman. I think this is the right place.
So my son has been coming to the academy ever since its inception, about 3 years back. So yes, we have seen a lot of improvement in the academy. A lot of coaches like Maninder Singh have joined in now, and there are a lot of players also who are coming, Ranji Trophy level IPL players. So besides that, I think the coaching infrastructure is pretty good. The coaches are good, their experiences is good. Sabha shares his experiences, which is excellent with youngsters. And I think my son has learned a lot at the academy. So it's been overall it's been pretty good journey so far.